with Dawn. How's the food fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know we are, and you know what I say. Any day above and not under, y'all, it's a blessed day. Now,
hold on. You said whatever you have been told. Anyway, y'all. Come on, but you know what I say today. That's what we say.
Okay. When she here, anything we say. Okay. Alright, come on. We're gonna mukbang. Welcome back to another mukbang eating show, y'all. Alright. So, some of y'all suggested, damn, should have wiped this off. It's all sticky. I ain't got no wipes right here. But anyway, some of y'all suggested that I tried the
Root beer.
Root beer. I'm not a big root beer fan.
I hate it.
But we got Trick or Tweet. Angry Bird.
And I have
Water.
grapefruit flavored Italian sparkling mineral water. Period.
So I wanted her to do the burping video. She did not want to drink this. I bought two. She didn't want to drink that, so I told her, okay, because I want you in this, you can drink water. So, you ready?
Yeah.
You gonna chug?
I don't know yet. I don't really great sugar, and this one just have no fear.
Why you turn the AC on? Turn it off.
Y'all see that? She got me.
I mean,
She got me moving throughout the video.
y'all hear? I mean, this. Ooh-wee.
That's probably what they knew what they was doing.
Yeah. That's because I'm not a root beer drinker. I mean, that was a lot. Barely twisted the thing off. This thing's sticky. Y'all. Don't be like me. Dang, she started already. You need me to pat your back? Maybe that's what you need.
I think it's done. I don't know my belly like go burp, and then I burp.
Did you hear the door?
That's Kyra. Y'all, she's so paranoid. My burps are so high pitched. Cheers.
This man. Oh shoot.
Oh my god. Ooh, it got like this water gives you like a
Did you not hear the burp that came out with this though?
yeah, that was pretty big. I feel uncomfortable.
You need some more burping. You gotta.
Yeah, I gotta let that sit. Y'all know how y'all know how I am burping. This is not our first rodeo together.
I don't know.
But I'm basically
Hold on. I gotta, you know, I'm gonna chug some more. This gonna take time and it's sweet. This is
46 grams of sugar.
yeah,
And it's 6 servings. Ooh.
46 gram added sugar, 92%. You taste every bit of it in there. I'm not gonna finish this. I'm gonna do one more chug and that's it. This, yeah. It's low in sodium though. Caffeine free. Love caffeine.
It's a low sodium and free caffeine free. Oh. I mean, this water don't taste bad though. I like the grapefruit because the grapefruit gives it a little.
Ooh, jeez. Jesus.
I'm like waiting because I know it's like down there and it's like bubbling, but like my execution is way different from hers. Like
This just, I'll definitely try to do this one again for y'all. Cause root beer does give you a good.
Is it cold?
No.
No.
No, but it definitely hits different, but it's a lot of sugar. I wonder if they got sugar free.
I felt the bubbles like literally traveling up my body. That was weird. That was really weird.
I like your poetic justice.
Thank you.
That's one of my movies, man.
Man, this is a great film. This was a definitely great film.
Yeah, I thought Tupac was fine as hell.
These are my confessions. I legit never heard her say that. That's all I'm laughing so hard. He was fine.
Yes.
He was fine.
I'm a
drink that right here.
And I love Janet in there too. She just looked really pretty and innocent. Them big old
Janet Jackson has a innocent. I think all of them have an innocent look to them. Like all the Jacksons.
Dang.
I ain't mean for it to look so aggressive, but I was just like, right. I was like, maybe we'll get another one. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't know if I want to drink the rest of this.
It's water. Alright.
Oh. I feel like if you would have drank this, you would have got better burps. It's really bubbly. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. Your girl done. I got a swig. This is a good way to spice up your water, but like,
I'm done. I can't do no more of this.
Look at my cake. It's so pretty.
But I drank it to like right here. It's too much sugar. I can't go no more. Okay, y'all.
That's it from us today, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.